Hello guys, as you can see this is the euro franc chart, and let me take you to the weekly chart. And you can see that there was our weekly demand zone just right here, and price actually visited this zone here. Actually, I made another video based on this, so I'm not going to make the same video again. If you go to my YouTube channel and watch this video, here, then it's the same video actually. It's the same trade, this trade here that I actually explain here, So watch this video before watching this current video, okay guys? So, but okay, whenever you watch the previous video, you will have idea what I am talking about, okay? Okay. But as you can see here, we had here in this trade, we had the same pattern, as you can see, it was a base, and then ERC candle, two ERC candle that created imbalance. Not only that, actually it did actually as well, it broken the trend line as well. So that was our belly here. See, there was a peak, and then another belly here that made a peak. So we actually even connected these two, so this model, this entry model, was rally base rally. And then we had recently actually another entry model. We had this here, but price never visited here, price never came into this entry. See here, there was here this one here, it was a continuation pattern, rally base rally. Okay, so this one here was a continuation pattern, this one here it was rally drop base rally. But but principality of this supply and demand is remains same. How it remains same? It because as you can see here guys, these two were ERC candle and this one is an ERC candle, and that made an imbalance. Okay guys, so you see that model, my entry model, it remains same. And then we had another CP just right here. Okay guys, we had another CP just right here. Oh shit, 1 second. As you can see, we had another order block just right here. But see, the entry model remains the same, rally base rally. Okay, this is not a peak. Okay, this is not a belly. Okay guys, so this is not a belly, this is a CP, continuation pattern. See, look at this pattern here, it's the same as here, rally base rally, and again rally base rally. Okay, but of course when you also see this video here, you're gonna have a more clarity, what I'm talking about. So watch this video. Anyway guys, so what I did actually, I just place an order just right here, and I was aiming for 6 hour. Yeah, it was until here, in my MetaTrader. So I was aiming for 6 hour, but this trade, this trade here, the first trade is still running, and I am aiming for 42 hour, yeah, 42 hour, okay, 42 hour. So this trade is still running, okay guys. So I took this trade and I take my take profit just right here, okay, just right here under this level here, because I wanted to secure some profit, you know, in case market goes another way. But this first trade is still running. So now let me go forward, and as you can see that this trade actually was executed, and as you can see that it hit my TP. Okay guys, it did hit my TP, and I made actually 6R in this trade here. So watch the first video and find out actually, you know, find out actually how I choke this trade, you know, the whole process, you know. So these two video, this video, so this video here, this video here, and watch this current video, you know, together. Then you will have a better understanding what I am trying to say about one entry model, you know. You see guys, many of you ask me about imbalances. What is an imbalance? See here guys, imbalance is created, see here, see this market was going up, see here, this market was going up, then suddenly market trying to make these small candles, small candles, small candles, small candles, small candles. Can you see that price went from this area to this area? It took so many days, maybe not so many 4 hours candles, you know, it consists of so many 4-hour candles. Then suddenly market made this candle, okay, this black candle. Can you see that? This black candle, and that created an imbalance. Okay guys, as you can see here, that created an imbalance. Okay, that created an imbalance. And again, if you see these small candles, these small candles, these small candles, you know, it took so many 4 candles to market just come from this area to here. Okay, then what market suddenly did? Market made this imbalance and market fall, you know, price fall. Okay, that created an imbalance here. Okay, and then of course you can see that small candles, small candles, small candles, small candles, and then price suddenly created that order block and the strong imbalance. Can you see that ERC candle? So as you can see that all the trade I take, that was created by imbalance, you know. See here, that's the same model, you know, that's the same model. Let's see these candle here, these candles here, these candles here, this candle here, and this candle here, these candles here, these candles here, these candles here. These all are ERC candle, ERC candle. Okay guys, ERC candle. Okay, if you don't know what is an ERC candle, an ERC candle is actually, how to give you, for example, see here, these candles are ERC candle. For example, this candle ERC candle, this candle ERC candle, this candle ERC candle, this, you see, when a candle start, it, let's say that's the open of the candle. So, and that's the little wick, you know, ERC candle has very little wick. So after a ERC candle begins, you know, it closes, it's a big candle and it closes, you know, it closes around 80% of the high, you know. So if these candles start here, if this is an ERC candle and that's the wick here, let's say we have a wick here, so the wick should not be more than 20%. Okay, more than 20. So then it will be an ERC candle and it should be a little bigger, you know. And of course here, for example, here after checking this trade, we had another order block here, but I never actually placed the order. Of course, we can also see that market never came back to this area here. That because I think, 1 second, yeah, there was an order block, you know, there was an order block here. Let's see here. One second. See, after this order block here, price made an ERC candle. Okay. And this ERC candle actually took the last high, sorry. You see, by 2 pips maybe, or 1 pip. So that was here. That was also an valid order block. Okay, guys. Anyway, so in order to trade, you know, in order to trade good way, guys, you need to understand the imbalance. You know, you need to understand the turning point of the market. Okay, guys, let's see here. See, 1 entry model. See here, guys, there was an ERC, there was an imbalance here. See, there was 2 imbalance here. There was the first imbalance, and then we had the second imbalance. We got the second imbalance. Okay, see guys, first imbalance, second imbalance. Of course, I don't know here, I don't know about the higher time frame. Is it the buyers are in control or sellers are in control? I don't know here, but I'm just showing you the imbalance. Okay, guys, for the 1 entry model. And we had another imbalance right here. We had another imbalance right here. We had another imbalance right here. Of course, you know, I don't know the higher time frame. I'm just showing you the imbalance, you know, imbalance with ERC candles. Okay, guys, so you see that imbalance are consist of big candles, big ERC candles, big ERC candles, ERC candles, ERC candles. That was another imbalance, ERC candle, ERC candle. Okay, guys. Of course, there are many other things to it. There are many other variables to consider before taking a trade. But that's how, you know, that's how 1 entry model works for supply and demand. You have to look for the same thing again and again and again. And you have to, you know, you cannot just change your strategy day by day. So if you have 2 losing trade, you cannot just change it, you know. You have to just believe in your strategy. You have to just believe in your strategy. Then you will become a successful trader. Okay, guys, thanks for today. And if you like the video, please remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs button. Thank you. Bye.